In Norse mythology, the cosmos is structured around a profound and intricate system composed of 9 interconnected realms, all held together by the immense and sacred world tree, Yggdrasil. This cosmic tree serves as the axis mundi, connecting the various realms and acting as a stabilizing force within the universe. Each realm possesses its own unique characteristics, inhabitants, and significance, contributing to the rich tapestry of Norse beliefs. Asgard is the realm of the gods, home to the Aesir and the Vanir. It is an elevated and divine domain, characterized by majestic halls, including Valhalla, where slain warriors are welcomed after death. Asgard is often depicted as a bright and vibrant place, filled with splendor and beauty. The gods, residing here, wield immense power and influence, overseeing the balance of the cosmos. Midgard, meaning Middle Earth, is the human realm, and serves as the connection between the divine and the mortal. It is situated at the center of the cosmos, and is surrounded by a vast ocean, which serves as a barrier against the chaotic forces of the giants. Midgard is where humans live, grow, and forge their destinies, and it is here that the actions of gods and mortals often intersect. Vanaheim is the realm of the Vanir, a group of gods associated with fertility, prosperity, and nature. This land is lush and fertile, filled with rich vegetation and abundant resources. The Vanir are often considered gods of magic and cultivation, and their relationship with the Aesir illustrates themes of balance between war and peace, chaos and harmony. Alfheim is the realm of the light elves, beings associated with light, beauty, and nature. Often considered benevolent and graceful, these elves are known for their connection to the natural world and their role in maintaining balance within it. Alfheim is depicted as a radiant and vibrant landscape, embodying the essence of purity and illumination. Home to the dwarves, Svartalfheim is a realm characterized by darkness and subterranean caverns. The dwarves are master craftsmen who forge incredible items and are known for their skill in metalwork and magic. Svartalfheim represents the hidden and often overlooked aspects of existence, highlighting the value of craftsmanship and the beauty that can emerge from darkness. Niflheim is the realm of ice, mist, and frost, often considered a dark and inhospitable place. It is characterized by dense cold fog and freezing temperatures, a stark contrast to the fiery realm of Muspelheim. Niflheim is home to primordial beings and is associated with death and the afterlife, as well as the wellspring of the rivers that flow into other realms. In stark opposition to Niflheim, Muspelheim is a realm of fire and heat, inhabited by the fire giants. This fiery landscape is depicted as a place of raging flames and volcanic activity, symbolizing destruction and chaos. The inhabitants of Muspelheim are often seen as formidable adversaries to the gods, highlighting the perpetual struggle between fire and ice within the cosmological narrative. Helheim, often known simply as Hel, is the realm of the dead, overseen by Hel, the daughter of Loki. It is where those who did not die heroically in battle, such as those who succumbed to illness or old age, find their final resting place. Helheim is portrayed as a shadowy, cold realm, contrasting sharply with the vibrant halls of Valhalla. Jotunheim is the realm of the giants, Jotun, beings often characterized by their size, strength, and primal nature. This vast land is filled with rugged mountains, forests, and wilderness, reflecting the chaotic and untamed aspects of existence. The giants frequently serve as adversaries to the gods, embodying the elements of chaos that the gods must contend with to protect the other realms. At the heart of this cosmological structure lies Yggdrasil, the world tree, a monumental ash tree that serves as both a life-giving force and a connection point between all 9 realms. Yggdrasil is portrayed as immense and eternal, with roots and branches that stretch throughout the entirety of the cosmos, linking the realms together. It is often described as a living entity, nourishing the worlds that reside within its embrace. Various beings inhabit Yggdrasil, including the Norns, who weave the threads of fate at its roots, and Ratatoskr, the squirrel that scurries up and down the tree, delivering messages between the eagle at the top and the serpent at its base. This interconnectedness emphasizes the belief that all realms are interdependent and that the actions within one realm can ripple through the others. The Norse cosmos, divided into 9 interconnected realms, presents a rich and intricate view of existence, rooted in the cultural values and beliefs of the Norse people. Through Yggdrasil, the world tree, these realms engage in a complex interplay, where the divine, the mortal, and the chaotic converge. This mythology illustrates the dynamic nature of life, highlighting the beauty, struggle, and interconnectedness that define the human experience within the larger cosmic narrative.